Here's a puzzle. You've got a list of numbers and one value you want completely gone. How would you scrub out every copy? Say the list is 3, 2, 2, 3, and the value to remove is 3. So we want both 3's out of there. Wait though, there's a catch. We don't hand back a clean new list. We return a count, and we rearrange the list in place. The count is called K, the number of survivors. The first K slots have to hold them. Whatever sits past that, nobody checks. So for our list, K is 2, and the front 2 slots should read 2, 2. The rest are just leftovers we ignore. What's the first thing you'd reach for? Probably, spot a 3, delete it, then slide everything after it left to close the gap. So delete that front 3, and drag the rest one step left. Then keep scanning for the next 3 and do the whole thing again. Feel the problem. Every delete drags the whole tail over. One unwanted value near the front means moving everything behind it. On a long list packed with that value, we shift over and over. That piles up to O of n squared, the same work again and again. Let's step back. Do we actually need to delete anything at all? The problem told us the leftovers past K don't matter. So here's the flip. Instead of hunting down the bad values, what if we just gather the good ones at the front as we go? The move is 2 pointers. A red pointer walks the list. A right pointer marks where the next keeper goes, like repacking a shelf, sliding the good stuff to the front. The reader visits every slot. When it finds a value we want to keep, we copy it to the right spot and nudge the writer forward. Careful here. You might want to bump the right pointer every single step. Don't. It only moves when we actually keep something. That's the whole rule. The writer only advances on a keeper, so it always points at the next free front slot, and it counts the survivors. Let's run it. Both pointers start at 0. The reader is about to look, and the writer is waiting at the front slot. Reader at slot 0. The value is 3. That's exactly what we're removing, so skip it. The writer doesn't budge. Reader moves to slot 1. Value 2. We want to keep this. Copy it into the right slot, 0, and push the writer to 1. Reader at slot 2. Another 2. Keep it. Copy into slot 1 where the writer points, and the writer steps to 2. Reader at slot 3. A 3. Remove it so we skip again. The writer stays put at 2. Reader's done, end of the list. The writer landed on 2. The front 2 slots read 2, 2. Exactly the survivors. Notice what we never did. No shifting, no redoing. Each element got touched exactly once, because the writer remembered where the next keeper belonged. One clean pass, and we reused the same array, so the time grows in step with the list, and the extra memory stays flat. Let's write it out. Walk every index with the read pointer, left to right across the whole list. If the value isn't the one we're removing, copy it into the right slot, and step the writer forward by 1. When the loop ends, the right pointer is our count of survivors. Hand it straight back. And that's the pattern. 2 pointers, 1 pass, keep what you want at the front. You'll reach for this one again and again.